Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
No, I'm not laugh. Me not like how them deal with Me not like how them deal with Shorty. Me not like how them deal with Shorty and me two God and my stepson them. Bad to bad. Can't tell you this me. But bad to bad. Uno not supposed to come down them yard and beat off no door. Listen me I talk about my stepson. He can't call my phone. Bad to bad. Adi, your mouth the dirt. Little Adi, me attack to you. Your mouth the dirty. But Auntie Shelly now gonna make that go on here. Police, wanna for leave. My step kids them alone and leave Shorty alone. And me alone for trouble, my love. And wanna stop come at people yard without no warrant. Wanna for stop it. That me I talk about. Yes. Yes. And let the little picnic them breed. And make them enjoy little life. Yes. A good picnic them. I'm stepkids, my love. Can't just tell too much like I'm a carry feelings. Leave them alone. Let them be. I'm tired of the police. Them break people rights. That me I talk about. Want to hear me? Commissioner, don't make me have to write about you. Leave my stepkids alone. Leave Shorty alone too. As she alone can't tell me about my mother. Yes. Alright, that is that. Yeah, me not like that. Auntie Shelly not like that. None at all. And all who not say, and me said them. Una don't mix me either. Yes. And me can't send police pan my step picnic them, love. You crazy? Yes. What else are going in at the Friday? Bad to bad, you know. Police can't read past my gate, much less come knock on my thing, you know. Bad to bad. You must be mad. Oh. Let me see who I request me. Bad to bad. Jesus. If this are the real Valiant, you can stay with me, yes? Or Valiant. One sprocket. One sprocket.
Oh, what about?
This is a mixed up live.
What kind of mix up? What kind of mix up you had me in? I know.
I want to know why the police them go for my stepson them.
Da-da-dee.
No, I'm not joke business. Bad to bad, you know. Can't tell this me, but you know, say love me and strong. You know them way there. We have this love hate. Yes, wait, don't talk. Cause somebody talk about my eyebrows. Yes, my eyebrows did up, my love. Them not even healing it. Bad to bad. Auntie Shelly have to look good. Yes. Back to little Adi. I'll do him mouth dirty. And tell me about me F this and F that. Not me forgive him. Big up exquisite bros by Sean. Yes, bad to bad. Auntie Shelly, remember say Auntie Shelly put you on the breaks, my love. Body can run with you, don't know.
Today.
Auntie Shelly are gonna look good. Microblading. Got the best of the best to me, mom. You see?
You're Romian.
Sprocket.
What going with the dolly then?
Dolly, we're not on the dolly, we're on my step picnic there. Little Addy and little vibes.
How what going?
The police not go down to them place, my love.
Them have a thief or
Me was the whole scenario with the father. You know, the little Addy and the security, and then his father did do this and that. But that's not the point. I must give them. Police
But
not
that man.
supposed to come down without no warrant.
So what them go down there, go to all and pull them?
Me no know. Shorty make up a bag of nice and say she just a wake and one bag of something. Me no know. Me not get the food.
You know them not really like
Fine.
shot. You know them not really like Shorty already.
Huh?
You know them not like Shorty already. You know, so you know them ready for all and pull her.
No, they can't all and pull her. Cause girl did have out her camera.
Oh. Smart.
Jesus. Yeah. Back to body no Shorty not like me, you know, but me no want nothing to her, you know. You see me, I say?
Oh, make sure like a Travis to give look like the breast.
Yes. And
Oh.
big Addy. Everybody get breasts. And then they mad with me. Show me have lip up show now. Them don't want me
Yeah.
cover them. But them never pay the dues. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah,
Them
but
never give me my percentage.
serious, yeah, but
It's that they must leave the family alone. And while they begging for the family, beg for Auntie Shelly too until they stop calling up my name too. My love. DJ. This yes, I'm my DJ. One sprocket. Follow him. Auntie Shelly. Big up Canada. Lady Tree. Lady Tree. My DJ want to interview. Him the hottest thing out of Jamaica. Straight
bad
from Waterhouse.
DJs.
Yo, for a big woman, me look good still, you know. Don't follow you. We last in the road here. Wait, hold on. How would them talk about sprocket don't follow you we last in and which last? I hope them release them. Hold on. Them hold on to them. Back to me now. Back to mix up. I'm a step picnic them. The police never hold nobody door. Look talk to me because me have to keep up with the palms is. The palms is them. I want to join me on the live here. Want to send a request and stop watch. Let me see what else is here. No, nobody else to join me. Hi, Tisha. And what else are going in a corporate Jamaica? People know who know. Remember said me is a legal scammer, you know. Me put up them picture. The a little money. Wanna tell me if the palmers them alright now man. Me step picnic them alright. Me need to know. Them not all them. I don't wanna have no reason for all them. My love. On the can ask Shorty if she want come on tea time, want her more fair part of the story, my love. We split justice, you know. Remember, I said this is not DNA, you know. This is about the rights of citizens. I want to Auntie Shelly not unfair. Love TGE. We did 90. A beer Chanel. I'm a fake Chanel either. Valiant music diplomats. Are the real Valiant? Oh, Jesus. Anybody can give me an update on the step picnic them? Jesus. Anybody want to come live with me? It's very comfortable over here, my love. AC I blow, everything I blow. I must have me up in a age. Hi, Papa Escobar. Yes. Wanna not tell me what else I go on the E road? I am writing my script. Who take over man uptown? Me need to know. Me need to know these things. Wanna I do the ID and send it in the DM. Unruly Tyra, where you call King Mix Up? Wanna know him over here already. Them have time up on me, my love. As me command them I press screen record. Tea time show one built for Shorty and her kids cause every week they are this woman. No, them never them put themselves in the news, my love. A plenty week them not upon my thing at all. You crazy? Them never even did for plan for dinner this year week and them put themselves in them, love. And come out to me and step picnic them business. You're too bright. And this week me I take me a route for them and say leave them alone. And me alone for trouble them. And my step picnic them. Go ahead. But tea time bill pande. You did say that when we did get the views them off of popcorn. Go ahead. I trouble any and everybody. I want to find something about Valiant. I want to find something about Javelin. You know, come send the tea in. Make a talk. I want to send the tea in. I want to know what going if everybody get their money from the soccer. I want to get the money from our name Exodus. I want to talk about Exodus. Jelisa, the people them have to put them business out for me to talk about it. I'm gonna address you again. Yes. So alright, Jelisa, you want me ignore this? You want me ignore this SWAT team running down Pan Shorty? And if me talk about it is personal? Wait, yeah, SSL. Yes, SSL upon the list. Yes, they might get away with the thief in. Never bigger than that to tell you. Jesus, so that me a talk about Egypt pyramid. Dear Monty Shelly, said it to me. Cause honest to God, me tired of the palmers them too. But me still want the police to let me step picking them alone. SWAT, everybody want the SWAT. And when Auntie Shelly no cover it, them say, I me, I live upon the family name. Jesus! I what else I go on, other than the Palmers? Tea time at. Now, sir, talk. Yes. You Shelly have a talk. Guys, remember, you can leave your tea anonymously. And remember, uptown people are not off limits. We need to get the tea. Remember, if your boss not pay you, send the tea. Wait, hold on. Are the real Valiant that? KK, are the real Valiant? Check it out. Because any other Valiant, no. No number in your DM. Are the real Valiant? I could have never. When you check out the Valiant, the on my DM. Go check it out in the on the live. Fake Valiant will come off, man. You only response to the celebrities. Fake page. I know, say I'm a Valiant, man. I know, say I'm a Valiant. Oh God. I know where my top about come lie down beside me without no blue tick. Crazy? I'm mad. So if you even in Canada, you could have by life, you know, remember say Auntie Shelly at you know. Remember? Remember good now? So what else is going on in dancehall world? Oh, come on from alive now. Come on from alive. And go and go scam somebody else. Brackets. Send back. God, God, cute. Guys, I told you I'm going to be in a new series, right? I'm practicing my um I'm practicing my role. Hold on there. Bracket, if you're not talk people business, leave me alone, you know. Um,
It change.
Bracket, look at me, man, cute. Talk the truth.
After you know
You
ugly.
think that's why world boss I'm mad? I'm mad out.
Tada.
Yeah. We never want to answer no question yet.
Baba Clawata, hit me a go and sip.
Wow.
You know hear the song? Man, I don't like
No,
Shelly.
no, that's something. I was saying it. What my son mean? Somebody just asked me. Girl,
Somebody asked me
somebody
your
say,
song then.
me a shorty matey could never be in any category. With that for me, um, wife number two, never mate. Right, you right. You take a number two wife, but never a mate. Not even them something them love.
Where's the wife the second?
I never take a matey role yet in my life. Look for me. Crazy. Mad, you mad. They go backside block the person there for the comment name and never walk out a mate song yet. Never. Ever. Right. I must get me mad. Shelly, I want go on up a dirty yard. I want for yard being dirty. They're not a security.
Shot. A shorty them want right, you know.
I want them look
A
for
shorty
dirty,
them
me
want
love.
right, you know. A
Yes,
shorty
me
them
fit,
want right.
yes, somebody just said side wife to Shorty. That fit me better. Never mate. Never. Never that. Crazy.
Total.
Sprocky, your teeth look good, you know.
Be a fuck we are going over here saying.
Them bright about mate. How would that in your background, Sprocky? Yeah.
In my back,
You're
girl.
like, I wanted to dolly them.
And dolly them. I dolly them topic.
Mine are the dolly them, you know. Shelly and good body
I
Sprocket.
dolly we are on the place,
Wait,
man.
good. Daddy Dream
One bad
Dolls,
thing.
if I call you good body, you ever see Maga body? You're calling good body. How you know about Sprocket body?
Wait, oh. Danny, Dream Dolls.
How
Trouble.
you know about in body? Shorty, me attack auntie. Oh, Dorothy and Shorty. How are
No
yourself,
more,
love? One, big up my eyebrow people them once again. Sean, yeah, tell you, my eyebrow them are exquisite
yeah.
brows. They did it.
Water done in the water out there.
I try find out what the latest with my step picnic them and me not hear nobody has said nothing. Them all right. Auntie Shelly have to hook up with all of the lawyers them. Cause bad to bad, me go down a watch, you know. Bad to bad, me bail out everybody, you know.
You want Danny Dream that.
I mean, yes, I hear bad charge. Yes. Let me keep on you.
Me a look cocoa water, me a forward up your place, you
Me
know,
have
water
only
me.
for water, me
Man,
have anything, me have white rum, me have everything up here, my love. Me not starve.
me a fall for a
Them lock up?
drink kind of see.
No, honestly, seriously, them lock up for true? Me don't think they lock up. Me don't think there's no
Boy,
reason for
Romari, you
lock
think
up.
you easy?
Me not for me have to go see. Me have to see observer tweet that. What girl them child? So the dolly way they over your house now, spread it. Them make your breakfast.
Listen to me now. Don't get me in that mix up now. And every dolly can cook in, so
Yeah,
take time with the dolly
take
this season.
time. I mean,
Can't do it from them dolly. I can't do it from them dolly. You know.
big up Jason from US.
I go call things and
Jason,
ask
beg
her.
you want sell no? Want buy something near Amazon? No, go on the Andrew Holiness all without.
Yeah, Danny Dream doll. Come wait, there who this ask about Duffy?
You still manage Duffy.
So, Sprocket, are we a laugh about Sprocket? Them
Mm-hmm. Somebody comment and say if Shelly still manage Duffy, you know?
Lord,
What kind of idiot?
yeah, Jesus. You could make that coming pass.
Oh, which page?
And the USA that
Fake page.
O'Neill, send me
Where
something
is?
on my arm. Me send call it an early birthday present, my love. I remember me I come forward to your place. Hey, the boy by the name O'Neill, him rich in a real life, you know, I scope out in thing. Everybody that I'm alive, when I go send a request to you, you know mean either. Sorry, Sprocket, we have to deal with some money business. Some big pocket money business. Scamming business.
Some big food for a chop. Some
My
big food
my
a chop them.
birthday is the 31st of May, but we can't make it every day. You see me? Only you know me, you know. Remember say you tap me up for there. Only you get more money from you than you get from cartel. Bad to bad. I support to meet you in real life. Every minute I talk, Sprocket cover in face.
Junior killer.
You're on a Sunday? Happy birthday! Oh yeah,
It's
it's
too
early.
early.
I was sending you a message, O'Neill. Bad to bad. Yes, I'm a Gemini. I think I'm going to Dam Rep for my birthday this year, but may I go on a tour in New York. I may have fun.
Say, I
Yeah, may
bring
I
tea
go
time go
back
over New
here
York.
tea time, yes?
So the
Tea
tea
hot
up.
man, may I have rappers that wanna do it. So we think that it's better for me to go over there and film it. Yeah.
So you can, so you have to try so we can get a contact
Why
with
would I love
6ix9ine.
that? Better me try that than get you seeing gold. You know the way
Yeah.
or a Ramesh. Them not come on my show. Them a wait until the Americans get money on the show.
Porter.
Big up Gaza Nation. Big up Gaza Nation. Me see a clock in. Big up the Gaza people them. Yeah. I talk up for me step pick with them. Yes.
Boy,
Little
Junior
Annie
killer.
forgive you. And no police for violate you.
Go
And
to them.
run up at your place, all your mother place without no warrant. Until Shelly vex. Upset.
Powerful.
Yes, Auntie Shelly vex. Bad to bad. Then treat me bad, but I understand. Is a understanding. What my role again? Side wife. Yes, he's an understanding side wife. Cause who knows, you know. Yes. Jesus.
So what side wife do? What side wife do? Can we not understand? What side wife do? What the side wife do?
Yo, you make me nearly lick off all my eyelash them, but just put in my love. Cutie smile. West side. Hey, side wife not to do what wife do. That are the greatest thing. But she don't take no, she not take no local title. And her name get as mentioned as much as everybody in a song. Yes. Ex side wife. Of course a ex. Remember him too old for me now, you know. Remember say him is 1 year older than me. You remember say it's a long time business. I be a young boy, me like me love. It has to be ex. It have to be ex. Remember, that's about 17, 18 years ex. Side wife. Yes, when I give him my title, them good.
So a young boy agree with you know.
Young boy have to agree with me. Them have to give me the lift up style. Hey, J. Cartel lift me up in back with all the lick up right now. Remember say you all them. How laugh?
You know, me not there. I want my daddy them a laugh.
Stop like guys and I want you. Me not want them either. They them too old. Where? I want some fit body. Them say one thing with Shelly, she have no shame. My shame tree gone long time, love. Uno did drag me left, uno drag me right. So now me just in the dragging myself, my love. Sparky tell me more. Wait, what do you say? You owe the boss a daughter, Shelly. Jesus! Yeah, no, me never did that try give nobody no daughter, but he give me one puppy. Yes, I'm give him way. Yes. He give me one puppy. He never give me complete no mission. And I owe nobody no daughter. Big up Western Gaza. You know the play. Yes. You know the play. And some little Gaza talking and go on in here, so
Today after
Sprocket,
that.
don't worry yourself. The real Gaza people, them, know what time it is. Yes. Then they find the life.
Remember the fire down at Gaza now.
Wanna leave me stick with them alone. And don't trouble Shorty. Don't trouble her and don't come our house. Jesus! How would that? My baby!
I know.
Say it again. Do it again. You come back! I was getting excited a while ago like the man there road.